Hey, can I tell you something? Self-care ain't always bubble baths and soft music. Sometimes it's stepping back from folks who leave you feeling empty no matter how much of yourself you give. Truth is, there's people out there who ain't trying to understand you. They're committed to twisting your words, draining your spirit, and keeping you small. And the kindest thing you can do for yourself? Stop trying to explain your soul to folks who ain't even listening. That ain't giving up, darling. That's growing up. Your energy's sacred. It ought to be spent where it's honored, not used up like spare change. So love yourself enough to walk away from them conversations that leave you tired, confused, and misunderstood. You ain't too much. You're just too precious to be spent where you ain't valued.